Welcome. My name is Phil. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a typical cash out. I'll only briefly be describing the various features of the app as we proceed, so you might want to check out the tutorial videos for an in-depth explanation. So in this example, Diane will be cashing out at the end of her shift. After selecting her role and the date, if there are any notes she feels she needs to include with her cash out, she can enter them here. She'll also have the opportunity to add or edit notes at the end. When she clicks Submit, a list of options appears. All information that she might need to enter can be entered through one of these options. Rarely will all of the options be required for a single cash out. She only needs to select the options relevant to her current shift. The first thing she'll want to enter is her gross sales from her POS report. She wasn't given a float, so she can click Submit and select the next option. Now, with the POS system that her company uses, there are separate amounts listed on her report as transfer in and transfer out. These are amounts for tabs that she may have picked up or passed on to other servers. On this particular shift, she picked up 2 tabs totaling $32.55 from a server going off shift. So these are entered as transfer in. And then when she went off shift, she transferred a tab for $17.95 to the closing server. So this would be a transfer out amount. Next, she has a promo tab for $39.80 that she can enter so as to exclude it from the tip out calculation. She didn't collect any walkouts. Now, the tip out policy for Diane's company is a straight 5% of net sales. This tip out categories section is for companies with tip out policies that are not that straightforward. So she doesn't need to enter anything here either, and she can move on to payments. Here she can enter the various payments individually from each slip or the totals if they're listed on her POS report. So she has an American Express slip for $67.25. There are no offline amounts to enter. If she had an offline American Express charge, she could enter both amounts at the same time. So moving on, she redeemed a $50 gift card. And she has $579.60 in Interact slips. And she has $347.85 in MasterCard slips. And she has $392.22 in Visa slips. So that's it. She's entered all of her data. So now she can select Edit Server Cash Out from the navigation menu pick the date, 27, and here are all of the data that she entered. She can review her sales, the amount transferred in, transferred out, her promo tab, and all the charges. Now she notices here that she forgot to enter her uh, staff meal, and she'd like to exclude that from tip out calculation. So she can select any cell here in this column. Staff meal. And now she can go and review her cash out. So here it is, Wednesday, September 27th. Click this icon. And once again, she can review all the data, except now all the calculations have been completed. This is the add, the deduct. This is the subtotal, the amount net of tax. This is the sum of the deductions for the promo tab and the staff meal. That amount net of tax. And the net on which the tip out is calculated. And so that is added to the total amount. This is what is due, the sum of all the payments. So she knows that she needs to submit 313.43. So she's going to submit 315. If she wants, that's a pretty easy number, but if she wanted to, she could use this little tool here. Just enter the amount, and she's going to submit 1420s. $35 left. She's going to submit 2 10s and 3 5s. So that's the full $315. If she wants to delete or add to her notes, she can do it here. Select update. And there we have it. There's the $315 she's submitting. It's $1.57 order over. On her running balance, she was previously 88 cents short, so now it's 69 cents over. These are trivial amounts, so doesn't need to worry about it right now. And if she cares to download her cash out data, she can just click this link and it's downloaded to Excel. Log out and she's done. So thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll take a look at the bookkeeper auditing the cash out.